Hi, Maria Tecce here from Speak Public. Today I want to talk to you about monotony. Now, monotony is the death of all great presentations. And we can have monotony in a couple of different ways. So first of all, you can have monotony in your vocal presence or your vocal delivery. So we all know what that sounds like. It's the person who drones on, and they drone on in the same place in their voice, and they don't ever change the pitch of where they're talking from, and you start not listening because your ears start shutting off. That is the death of any great presentation. You've got to change up your vocal pitch and your vocal intonation. You've got to keep people interested. You have to keep their ears interested. So you have to change up the pitch, change up the pace, use the power of pause. Use your articulation to bring out certain words. There are a few different vocal techniques and skills that we can use to avoid monotony. The second way you can have monotony in a presentation or a speech is in your physical presence. Now, this might not be the most obvious type of monotony, but if you don't move anywhere and you stay in the one place, in the one position, and you never move, people are going to get bored. Now, genuinely, there are some times when you won't be able to move. You may be in a space where there's actually nowhere to go. It could be in a boardroom that's very small. Now, this happens. So you have to use your ingenuity. You have to use your imagination. You have to improvise. The other way it can be monotonous, for instance, if you don't use your hands. If your hands are by your side the whole time and you don't move, then people are going to get bored because we use our hands when we talk. We naturally use our hands when we talk. So don't be afraid to move. Don't be afraid to use your hands. Also remember, when you are moving in your presentation, your movement will often reflect your thought process. So you may move after your introduction. You may move on the first point that you're going to be talking about, and then you may stay there, and then you may come back into the center. When you can, take center stage. Now, genuinely, there will be times when people have to see a slide, when you're it's helping you to explain something, or you need to show a graph or an image, and that's fine. Rule of thumb, if the audience needs to see your slide, then show them the slide. If they don't need to see what's on that slide up there, take center stage. So that's it for today. I hope you found those somewhat useful. As always, you can click up here to subscribe to my channel, or you can click up here to see more videos. Thanks so much, and we'll see you again. And remember, speak it loud, speak it proud, and speak it public. We'll see you next time.